What's up, YouTube? Let me change it this way.
What's up, YouTube?
Yeah, what's up, YouTube? Today we are, it's this kind of like the same day. Well, it is the same day. But today we are going to, hold on, I'm plugging my charger now.
Ooh, you finally charge.
So today we're going to be eating noodles.
And look at these, the cheese in this.
It's noodles, meat, and cheese. So right now I'm going to be mixing my noodles up.
So I'm mixing my noodles up. I was playing the game high.
Yeah. Okay. So,
like the zombies coming out of nowhere, right?
Well, it's time to eat. I don't want to be talking about zombies. All right. First bite. This is how it looks.
First bite. Looks right here.
Mmm.
Noodles extra with noodles with meat. Mmm.
Mmm.
Noodles with meat and cheese. Mmm.
This is so delicious.
Very delicious.
Okay, I'm going to try some noodles without the meat now.
Without the meat now. Good, good.
Deliciously good.
Ooh, I would try it with the meat and the noodles and the cheese. Mmm!
So, what kind of noodles do you guys like?
Yeah,
I like spicy noodles.
I like spicy noodles.
There's a noodle hanging on my bone.
This is spicy noodles.
What happened? It's like my screen just went dark for a second.
So good. Good, good. I don't want to drink. When I eat this all, I'm not going to drink. Get this down. I'm going to get all this down. There.
I'm done.
Eat really fast.
And you eat really slow.
Let's slow it.
All right, guys. So we're going to share a drink again.
No.
You don't want to drink?
Fine.
If you don't want it, it's okay. Who took all this lemonade? How does it taste, Will?
Very good.
So we might be doing a mukbang again later. At my mom's house. Because I have $30. We might be doing a McDonald's mukbang. I don't know. But we will probably be doing a mukbang. You don't want no more?
Try and get the meat. What the heck? That's crazy.
Oh, my stomach's so queasy.
Oh, my stomach's all queasy.
Queasy. Oh, guys. Thank you so much. Without you guys, I wouldn't be where I am right now. At 10 million subscribers. 10 million. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for all my supporters. Just kidding. But I'm not at 10 million. That's a long, long time away. That's going to be a long journey, guys. Alright, yeah, William. Come on, chat with me, guys. William. 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 What? It's filling with my foot. I'll get it. Would you like to eat it?
Ew! You nasty if it fell on your foot and eat it.
I didn't eat it. Alright, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, you know what to do. Peace out.